Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Chick-fil-a Polynesian sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Chick-fil-a Polynesian sauce. Let's head over here and check out our ingredients. Real simple, real easy recipe. We've got 1 cup of French dressing, 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and 6 tablespoons of honey. All right, let's head over to our prep table and mix this up. All right, as with any time we do a sauce or we add ingredients to something to mix, you want to make sure you got a bowl big enough for the ingredients and also room to stir it up without slopping it all over the place. So here we go with our French dressing, our ACV vinegar, and the honey. And just mix it all up. And there we go, Chick-fil-a Polynesian sauce. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below and then share this video with everybody you know. Have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.